Okay. Beep.
These are the people who are at the party, and this is Nellie. This is Checkers, and this is Quadruple. Quadruple, Checkers, and they are going to have a party. Is everyone here? Yes, for the New Year's party. Now let me introduce you about some stuff. Here's a funny thing. Anybody want some snacks? I love snacks. Now here's the funny part. Cat, I'm a kitty cat. Meow 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 meow. Cat, I'm a kitty cat. Meow 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 meow. Ah! Hey, Miley Cyrus. Ain't I a sister? Yeah. My real name is Miley Circus. Blah! 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 So funny. I know. Ow. Oops. Is there any more stuff, Checkers? And stuff? Maybe. Come on, it's a New Year's party. What shall we do? How about I read a book? I'm great reading. Okay. Once upon a time, there lived a littlest pet shop. And her friends, they were in the side of a building and they lived in trash cans. They really didn't. They lived in between the two buildings. They were friends. And then, suddenly, a car drove by and a handsome littlest pet shop went out. He gave one of them jeans and one of them a shirt and hypnotized them to come with him. Then, after that the last littlest pet shop was thinking about her friends, and then it knew something. Then, while she was thinking, the littlest pet shop man came back and threw some stuff into the trash cans they lived in. Then, after that, she put some dynamite and lit a matchstick into it. And then when the man looked back, the whole garbage can was lit on fire. And then, after that, he dropped his glasses, and then the littlest pet shop stumped on it. Then the handsome cat was thinking about it like it was holding in his hand, and it was going quadruple flips in the air, and his eyes were popping out for 30 seconds. The end. Wait, the cat was happy in the end. There. Did you like it?
Oh, that's the end of the story?
No.
Oh. Yes, that was nice.
It was nice. Yeah, of course. I'm Miley Circus. Hi. Ow. Ow. Hey. Wanna play something? Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. I wanna play something. I wanna play something. Okay. This is a good party. A ball. Right, a ball. Yay! I love playing ball already. Told ya. Hey, I see something. It looks like a button. Can I press it? Sure. Whoa! It has eyes too. A ball has eyes and feet. Holy cow! I need to turn off this thing. There. I like playing ball. Me too. It's pretty complicated. Time. Need to come back in. anybody less exhausted? Hey, Jonas Brothers, what do you think of that? Oh, yeah, Justin Bieber and stuff. Hey! Yeah, hey! Hey! I'm hungry. Watch out through the crowd. I'm famous! You know what I just said? Food. That's what I said, if he doesn't hear me. Let's see here. Let me snuggle into this thing. Because pigs are always hungry. Everything is eaten. Hey, wanna play some flying tricks? Because you can fly too. Okay, untangled. Sure, I'd love to. Let's fly around Littlest Pet Shop Town first. Okay. Woo! When can we land? I know. Let's play up in the air ball. You know balls can't float. Oh yeah, you're right. Pick. Hey, what's this? Hey! Ice cream came out. Whoever gets it first wins. Hey, a little speck of dust. Hey, this fits in the holder, I think. It's an ice cream holder. Yay! I like playing. You too? Let's get back home. Aw, no fun. Hey, what does this say? Okay, it's funny news, of course. Are you having fun at the party? Sure I am. Toes? Big giant toes. Toes. I like playing on toes. Yeah, they're bouncy and fun. Hey, you're this high already? Whoa. I don't think I can fly anymore. Guess what? Look all the way down at Littlest Pet Shop Town. Yeah. It saved our living daylights. I know. Let's get back home now. I don't want to fly again and have a mistake. Shouldn't have done it. I am so bored. Why don't we go play outside? Sure. Everything's fun. Impossible. Ow! No fuck. I sure should have thought. That was fun. Hey, wanna do flying ball again? Let's try it out. Sure. How about walking ball? That is so boring, but I'll try it out. We could play beakheads or tag or mantises. I'll just play tag. Butterfly tag or bottoms tag? Butterfly tag. Who's it though? I am. can't I get you? My wings are fading. Some leaves. I love dreaming. Yeah, I love dreaming too. Guess what? We are super duper high in Littlest Pet Cat Town. And when we'll reach space, look down. Ah! Hey, you! The party is so fun. Hey, come on, Barbie. Let's go party. Huh? I didn't know Barbie was here. Me neither. You talk in our very own language. Hey, Pa! I'm going to get someone else that speaks my language. But I'm just talking in English so they understand. Where am I? Oh, up here. There's a nothing. Oh, kata! Hot dog. Nana. Puti. Poki nana. Destinante. The sudden jumping. I think we've gone high enough. Bunnies do hop so good. Ready? Set. Look down. Whoa! Come on, let's go get Sorry Girl. That party was good. I'm hungry still. Though I've eaten this sure lot. Hey! What's happening? Oh yeah. Hey, I have a trick. Am I on correctly? I'm just going to spin the wheel. Hey, what's happening? I'm spinning. Ow. Haha. Parties were fun. They were fun. Yeah, quadruple fun. LPS. Thank you for watching. LPS movies. Leah LPS. That's AJ Barton. You can see this. Do you want to know the title? It's called LPS, the New Year's Party. Hope you love it.